Sorry about that. I had to pause it because I had a phone call coming in. Anyway, so what you have to do is you have to turn these on and then put the weight on them. So I did that. I turned them on, put the weight of the car on it, let the well, it was a car, now it's a camper. Let the camper down on that, on the rear two tires or the rear axle, and then I was going to go around and put the stabilizer jacks on the front. Well, as always, when I start doing something like that, either phone rings or somebody comes in or whatever. So I let it down. Phone rings, needing a price, so I have to go in the office. I come back and that thing is still lit up. It didn't go off like normal scales do. So guys, if you're looking for something like this is the cheapest way you're going to be able to weigh anything. These are 660 pounds. Now when I looked at them, I found through somebody had shared something, and I haven't tested this, so I don't know, but someone had reviewed these scales or put a review on the scales, and they said that it would go up to like 700 or a little over 700, and then it would just flatline. Didn't hurt the scales, but it wouldn't read any higher than that. But they advertised 660. All right, so 660 times 4, what is that? 600 times 4 is 2400. None of my cars weigh that much, I don't think. I don't know, Freebird may be a little heavy, but then it comes down to individual wheels, because even my little camper, it was a little heavier on one side than the other. And we're gonna do a video showing that, weighing it, and probably do a video show these things weighing the Miata also, and probably the Freebird too, just because I don't know what it weighs. But like I say, get you a set of these if you're needing to weigh something more than normal weight. The crazy part about it is these things were on Amazon for $42 a piece. So that's still not cheap if you're needing 4 of them, $160+ but man, compared to $800-900 for the legit things. Now the legitimate wireless deals, you know, you can stand over there, it shows you each corner weight, it adds it up, does all that fancy stuff. This don't do that. You have to walk around and get each individual scale amount, add them together. But if you have a cell phone, you can punch that in there, add it all up. They work great. They work great for what I needed. I don't have a race car to where I'm you know, doing stuff, racing and trying to move weight around for different reasons depending on the track and all that. I just wanted to know how much my camper weighed. That was really the only thing. I wanted to know how much the Miata weighed. As I take things off, as I add things to it, I just wanted to have an idea of what we're looking at. So, because a lot of people ask me, and the only way I know about the Miata was there's used to be a chip mill here in town, and they had their scale there. You could drive up on it and it would show it up on the little sign thing. And I know the Miata is a little over 1,800 pounds with no one in it. But guys, these things work great. If you're looking for a set of scales, get you a set of these. They're the Amazon Basics, and I'll try to figure out how to put a link in the description. Amazon Basics, 660 pounds. It has the button for, I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it to where I can read that, tear, mode, and then on and off. Now you gotta remember to turn it off because it will run down your batteries. But I've got them in here. That's all. Well, there's 3 of them in here now. Got all the little readouts with the wires. I got my batteries. I take all the batteries out, put them down in here so that they won't corrode in the scale itself. Put them all in there. Drop this back down in here. Set this one on top of that one. Fold this thing and slide it down in here. like that. And coil up the wires right there on top. There you go. Now that ends up being pretty heavy. I don't know how much it weighs. I should get my scale out and set it on there. But then it wouldn't have the accurate thing because I'm missing one. But anyway, it holds them good. It works. You know, if you're looking for something to weigh your car and you don't want to spend a fortune, Amazon Basics, 660 pound. And they have the 400 pound, I think, is the next size. Heavy duty aluminum platform, digital. Guys, these things work. All right, Grace Car Driver out.